Hey everybody, Michael Greer coming at you again with the second video in our ongoing series, Our Drone is Lost, Help Us Find Its Way Home. We'd like to congratulate last month's winner, Jana Vorse. She was picked and won the $50 gift certificate for that month. We're running a little bit behind because I had a broken leg, so we had to take a little bit of a break. But now we're back and we've got a new video for you to see. And I've got a new partner also, my good friend Brian Colai. He's going to be doing all the video shooting on this. And I like to take a new partner and let him go right in and jump in with both feet. And I think you guys are going to enjoy what he did. I think he did a good job. So remember, when you watch the video and you submit your answer, submit it to TRED, T-R-E-D-D, Mark, M-A-R-K, Treadmark at gmail.com, and submit your answer. If there's more than one winner, we will put all the names into a hat, and once we put all the names into a hat, we'll draw out the winner like we had to do last month, and Jana was the winner. One other thing I'd like to say is we're going to be doing 12 of these videos this year, with a culmination of, in December around Christmas, we will take the 12 winners from all the previous videos, and they will be pitted against each other for one video for a $200 grand prize that will be also a gift certificate. The gift certificates will be to Best Buy, Buffalo Wild Wings, or Amazon, whichever one you choose. Just remember, you have to subscribe to the channel to be able to submit an answer. Well, once you subscribe to the channel, submit your answer, and good luck to you. Hopefully one of you will be winner number 2 for this month. I'm going to turn it over to Brian now and let him go ahead and give you some facts about the area we were in.
Hey guys, this is Brian. I'm going to kind of tell you where we are at. We visited a few locations before we finally found this one to film at. But we're east of Vegas. We're up in the hills a little bit. We're in a canyon. There's a lot of hiking that goes on up there, bicycle trails, a lot of recreational stuff goes on up there. You can spend a whole day up there. Once we get these drones up in the air and you start watching this video, pay close attention because you're going to see a lot of clues, a lot of landmarks in this. You're going to see us go from, you'll see Vegas and you'll see out the opposite directions. Like I say, you'll know, you should be familiar with some of these places that you're going to see. But we're looking for the specific canyon name of where we're filming. So let's get these drones up in the air, see what we got going. Again, pay close attention. We're looking forward to getting the next video shot. So again, let's get these drones up and let's see what we can see out there. Looking forward to hearing from everyone.
Remember everybody, these videos are going to get progressively harder, so keep your thinking caps on and try to look at the videos with an open mind and just listen to the clues that we've told you during this presentation and that you'll see during the video, and we don't think you should have a problem getting it right. Good luck to everybody, and remember, subscribe to the channel, submit your answer, and hopefully you're the next $50 gift certificate winner. Peace out everybody, and have a great day.